Want to make some extra money using AI? Walk with me. I will show you how to design and sell an ebook like this for free, using AI in 5 simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Generate a story. Go to ChatGPT, then type in this prompt. I want to create an illustrated children's storybook. The style will be whimsical stories with magical realism, emotional depth, and fantasy elements, paired with dreamy Ghibli-style illustrations. Generate 5 original story ideas. Then hit enter. ChatGPT will give you 5 unique story ideas with short summaries. Pick the one you like. I'm going with the first one. Then type. Write the story for number 1. Generate the story structure and AI art prompts based on the story for each page. Once ChatGPT generates the story and art prompts, copy the text and paste it into Google Docs or Google Sheets, whichever feels easier for you. I used Google Sheets because it helps me organize things neatly. Step 2. Check for plagiarism. Go to duplichecker.com. It is a free plagiarism checker. Paste your story and click Check Plagiarism. Give it a few seconds for it to finish scanning. Once it's done, you'll see the result. Anything below 6 to 8% is usually fine. Step 3. Generate your visual art. You can use tools like Leonardo.ai or even ChatGPT. In this case, I used ChatGPT to generate these images. Save your images to your device. We'll need them for the next step. Step 4. Design your ebook. First, head over to bookhow.com to generate a KDP book cover template. Enter your book details. Leave the ISBN blank. Amazon will provide one when you upload. Then enter your email address and download the generated template. Now go to Canva, click on Custom Size. Enter the width and height you got from the template. Then click Create New Design, and you'll get a blank page where we'll design the pages of our storybook. So I'll click on Uploads to upload the images we generated earlier. Once that is done, let's design the cover page. Click on Upload, then drag and drop the Bookhow template onto the canvas and stretch it to fit the entire page. Drag and drop your cover image onto the blank page. Expand the image and be mindful of the margins and spine. Anything outside the dotted lines will be trimmed during printing. To add your book title, go to Text and click Add a text box. Then type in the title of your book. You can resize the text and style it however you want. Now to design the first page of the story. Click Add Page to get a blank page. Then, add the AI-generated image for the first page, expanding it until it fills the entire page. Copy and paste the text for the first page. Feel free to resize and reposition the text box as needed. You can also add graphic elements from Canva to enhance the pages. Adjust their size, position, and transparency, and you're done. Repeat this for the remaining pages. Now let's export our book. Click the Share button, then select Download. Choose PDF Print. If you have Canva Pro, select CMYK for the best print quality. If not, RGB works fine too. Now your ebook is complete. If you want to turn your ebook into a cool digital flipbook like this, drop a comment saying flipbook, and I'll make a full video on that. Step 5. Publish and sell your book. Here are a few places you can publish it. Amazon KDP for both print and Kindle versions. Gumroad or Payhip for selling digital downloads. Or print physical copies and sell them locally. And there you have it. You've just created an ebook you can sell and make money from for free using just ChatGPT and Canva. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more creative ways to earn with AI.